Merry Christmas everyone. So I'm going to just show you our home polytunnel because I'm going to be doing some seed sowing today and I'm going to plant the tulips. But I'll show you the damage inside the polytunnel off the wind that we had the other week in the storm. So there's more damage to the inside than what there is outside. Not much. Those shelves were here. And you can see how much it's been lifted up because that spike was right the way down and it's lifted all that way up. So yeah, it could have escaped. This netting was velcroed to the door and it's now just all over. So I'm going to have a little bit tidy up in here and then I'm going to be planting, like I say, some of the tulip bulbs that I've got. So we're moving some of the soil here so we can get in down the side and pull the polytunnel a bit tighter. It has got some movement on it, and it's survived the storms that we've had since being put in, but there you can see how much it's lifted up with the wind because that was right down to the bar, and it's also ripped in the corners as well, but it's survived, it's still here. We've just got a little bit of work to do. So that's that job done. It's a little bit tighter anyway. I'm full of cold. I started coming down with it on Christmas Eve, sore throat. Not as bad as what I usually am when I've got cold, like I was the last time when you heard us snotting everywhere. But I'm finding it difficult to breathe, doing anything strenuous, so I might as well just eat and drink like we did yesterday. But yeah, just if we needed the jobs doing in here really. Get it all ready for next year, but I'm still going to plant the tulips. I'm going to do them now. I'm going to fetch the bulbs out and show you which ones we've got. So I drilled some holes in the pots. There's two of them, they're 35 centimetres. So I'm going to fill these with compost. In one of them I'm going to put the dwarf tulip, the Red Riding Hood, and in the other I'm going to put the Queen of Night and Sunny Prince, so the black and yellow ones in the other pot as well. So we're going to do those now. So that's a mix of black and yellow in there, and then I've put the red ones around the outside, but then I've put 2 black and 2 yellow in the middle as well. So I'm excited to see what they'll come out like, because I've never done flowers or anything like that. But got a bit of inspiration from Will, the flying gardener. He loves these flowers, he knows what he's talking about, so if mine go wrong, that's the guy I'll be talking to. I hope I've done them right. I know Danny from the Grapevine Garden, he did tulips just the other week in these new beds, and they're going to look fab. I know they will. So I'm hoping to get the same, because I'd love to cut them and get a vase put of them in the house for next year. So I have got some left. I don't know which one they are now, because I just put them all on the floor in a pile, so I don't know which one's black and yellow. I know these big ones here, they're the red ones. And I've got some buckets as well that have just got some space. So I'm going to put these in one of these buckets, and then at least I've got like 3 pots of flowers. Where's my trowel? Oh, so all done. Eric kindly brought us a coffee, so I'm just gonna tidy up in here and then get in and put my feet up, I think. All the best everyone, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next one.